an Android, two tests you can have in order to know that there is something wrong with seeing the double digit numbers. One of the tests is stop using a digital watch and cell phone, phone. But when you will stop using those things, you will see that the phenomenon will be disappear. The other test that you need to do, guys, is to notice in your personal computer, when you look at the screen, you get tired. If there are many people now that looking to the screen and getting tired, it's because the phenomenon of the double digit number creating waves that taking energy from the human to a machine, guys, because there is a spiritual side to the matter, and we are living in the frequency of this reality, and we living long time, we live safely in this reality because our ancestor ask God to help. They make they ask protection. They call the royalty. I don't know English very well. I will use the royalty of the holiness and of the kingdom of God to help. Okay, this is why we have been safety until now. But now there is a new criminal. It's the internet, it's the machine, guys. It's the science that forgets the spiritual side of matter and forget to ask God help, to ask God to protect. And the reality is being disturbed by this concept. There are, since 20th century, there are many not religions, but like a way of living that are not holy, that are not good for human life. Even by the way, only the Bible, only what the Bible say is true. But even in the Bible, there is a choice between good and bad. Many of the wrong religions are, I calling them religion, but it's like more a way of living. They have by the way, they are only positive. If you notice, they are only like one side, like be positive, be a good person. Yeah, we should be positive, we should be a good person, guys. I'm not saying that we don't need to be like this, but we need to understand that the Bible is balanced. It's balanced, the good and the bad. But it's not only that. This is why we living in the frequency of this reality, because of the Bible, because God, because the creator of man, and this is why what the science has made us forget. Why is it happen? Because there are many things that are against this reality, against God. Not against, of course, not against God, because the God is He can do anything. Not against us, against human. Against, they want to take us down because guys, being an android is being a more lower life being. Okay, and the one that want us to be an android, for example, it's the spiritual side of machines, of irons, of lower materials. They also have a spiritual side who want to develop, and they want to develop through us, of course. They can, but it's not. The problem is that it is an attack. It is an attack on humanity. So this is a really problem, guys. Be careful. Again, there are many theories about why 11 and 11, 12, why is the double digit happen. I'm telling you, don't believe those unholy, positive and angelic explanation. Try, test. You can stop using you can stop using telephone, like cellular and a watch and digital watch, and you will notice that this phenomenon is disappear. The other test that you can do is, if you have a personal computer, that this phenomenon is happen on this computer a lot, you can notice when you will look at the screen, you will be tired. This is not because your eyes are weak, or it's not that. It's because the phenomenal is the source of this phenomenal, by the way, is outsourced forces who are in the Zohar, for example. They are unholy forces, and what they do, these forces are, when you learn to program in computer, you will see hello world. It's like somebody coming from out of the world to this world, but it's an attack, guys. It's an attack on human society. So please share this information. Please test the theory. Don't believe to the unholy the unholy explanation on the internet, guys. It's not true. The light being of this earth are attacked since the 20th century. Please know that only the Bible is true, only the positive side of the Bible. Even in the Bible we need to choose, okay? Because the Bible is balanced. It's have the good and the bad, but it's more importantly, it will keep the frequency of our reality and our being. Okay, guys, it was a really intensive video. Please only check. Bye.